Global human population grows by approximately 75 million annually and is expected to be 8.4 billion by the mid-2030s. The world needs to produce at least 50% more food to feed that population. Climate change could cut crop yields by more than 25%. The land, biodiversity, oceans, forests, and other forms of natural capital are being depleted at unprecedented rates. Unless we change how we grow our food and manage our natural capital, food security, especially for the world's poorest nations, will be at risk. Open field growing of lettuce and greens demands lots of water, nutrients, and acres of land, and it burdens nature with fertilizers, nutrients, and pesticides. In many ways, modern greenhouse technology can be seen as a perfect solution. Compared to open field farming, greenhouse farming saves 95% of water, gives 3,000% higher yield, and releases no emissions. Also, it saves in transportation costs, when greens can be grown locally everywhere. So this is how it works. First, the plant trays are filled with pots of a growing medium. Seeds are then sown in the pots. After sowing, the trays are moved to the climate-controlled, moisturized germination chamber, which can be heated or cooled. Next, the trays are moved to the plant tables, where the trays are watered from above by movable irrigation booms. Timed irrigation, heat and light ensure strong root growth. The next step for the plants is the NFT hydroponic growing system, where roots are exposed simultaneously to optimal supplies of water, oxygen, and nutrients. During the process, plants are moved from the transplanting site to the harvesting site automatically. Harvesting takes place at the end of each line, and the lettuce is then packed in cartons or plastic boxes. All in all, greenhouse farming gives a higher yield of produce, with a lower consumption of water, nutrients, and chemicals, not to mention lower labor costs. It minimizes weather risks and outside pollution, maximizes food security, and ensures homogeneous quality of products all year round. It also enables completely organic growth with no pesticides. In the north, in Finland for example, imports of lettuce from Spain and Italy have decreased up to 50% over the last years, as production now takes place locally, despite of the country's Arctic weather conditions. Finally, if the consumers were asked, which do you think they'd prefer? Imported or locally grown? Thank you for watching.